In the first few years of my marriage, the media was busy getting me pregnant. Every month there would be stories about how I'm pregnant. And if I was wearing a slightly tight kurta where, my bulges were showing, then they would be like, oh, she's pregnant. And I'd be wanting to scream saying, this is my body, pregnant or no, pregnancy or no pregnancy, this is how I am. Such a personal decision, no, that um,
Totally.
yeah, like people tell me, oh, you play the mother so beautifully on screen, you must have a child. And I don't think the two are related. I'm an actor. I can play an assassin on screen, does not mean I can kill someone in real life.
For all film related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Vidya, how do I describe you? Real, rooted, relatable. It's the R's. I mean, when you are on screen, it just feels as if I could be chatting with my next door neighbor, my friend, because you make the characters look so real that, I mean, when I saw Sherni, I was like, there would be some Vidya Vincent there fighting stuff out. So, I mean, were you expecting this role, this kind of response that you have got?
Firstly, thank you so much. That's a beautiful compliment. Um, and no, I didn't know what to expect, honestly. I always temper down my expectations before a film. And, before Sherni, I told myself that Sherni is not a Shakuntala. I'm talking about Shakuntala because Shakuntala also released on Prime Video. So I told myself that had great reactions. But I told myself, Sherni is a different kind of film. It's a different pace. It's it's not your it's not got the familiar tropes that can draw people in. So you have to be patient and see how it plays out. But I'm so thrilled. It's been such a pleasant surprise that people were eager to watch the film, and reactions have been pouring in since the 18th of June. And the kind of reactions, they're all superlative. It's almost uh, sometimes I'm like, really? Because everyone has loved the film. When I say everyone, everyone who's written to me, thankfully. But it's so gratifying.
But because that's what I liked when I saw it. I could actually feel it could be one forest officer somewhere posted fighting the system. I mean, I also back in the day had taken the civil services, fail हो गई थी मैं. That's a different story. मिला नहीं मेरे को chance. But had I chosen that stream, maybe try नहीं किया, एक बारी try करके छोड़ दिया. That could have been my story, yeah. Maybe because we face it all the time. Because I've seen people, they don't like responding to a woman. हाँ आ गई है woman officer को भेज दिया. अच्छा lady officer बैठी है, a lady head है. Why can't it be gender neutral? That's what I keep wondering. And that through your films, you have constantly said so.
But we've always associated power with men. Power has always been a male preserve. Because who was a bread earner? Who was a breadwinner? It was a man. So when I get angry, I also do. But then I tell myself this, that because over centuries that has been the reality, and this is very new. Women entering various professions, making a mark for themselves, being promoted, being in positions of power. It's fairly new. So we don't know how to react to them. And not just the men don't know how to react to women, even women don't know how to react to women. We don't know um, you know how to really enjoy our power. A lot
Totally.
of times we feel apologetic, we feel guilty about being eh, in positions of power.
And have you noticed if a woman is powerful, we tend to actually call her names also. Oh,
Exactly,
she's
to judge her that much more. The kind of stories that get told all the time, that oh, she must have compromised her way to the top. Oh, she must be from so and so family. And this is not just true of female actors. Huh? I'm just saying across professions, people use this. Nahi
totally.
influence se hua hoga. You always want to undermine the woman.
I totally get that. And another interesting thing, playing your namesake always works in your favor, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Paki Dr. Vidya, unorthodox, you know, independent. Vidya Vincent देख लो and Vidya of Kahani. क्या बात है?
yeah, it's quite a coincidence. Um, but I'm not complaining at all. Someone was asking me, is this a conscious decision to play? Do you want to be called? Do you want your characters to be called by your name? And I was like, I have no say in this. Like in the case of Sherni, Amit Masurkar asked me, would you mind if I called her Vidya Vincent? And I was like, no, not at all. Why should I mind? That is all there is to it.
So आपके एक fan ने मुझे लिखा है saying that I love the film, but one thing I wanted to know was Vidya Vincent's personal story, her backstory. So he said, did you also feel that way?
No, but it's nice when someone feels like, oh, we would have liked to know more about her. I have a backstory in my head, but obviously in film, because he chose to tell the story of this woman, in this jungle, who's trying to protect this tigress and her cubs, and it plays out over a period of couple of weeks. Therefore, you don't have the liberty to get into her backstory. You see a whiff, you get a whiff of her personal life, her mother, her mother-in-law, her husband, and that's about it. I guess
Totally.
in film also, you don't have the liberty that you have in a series where you can delve into that and it can be so much joy.
The one poem, she's very calm and composed, your character. She's very calm, and she's also like, I wish I could take back that. She does not react in situations where people would have. But the one time that emotion is towards the end, T12. You could see that anguish. And somewhere it's the story of this woman and the Sherni also in, basically finding their own space in the jungle.
Yeah.
So which was that one poignant moment from the entire 2 hours, 18 minutes narrative for you, which was like,
I think it was when she finds the cubs. For me, that, like, oh, it's not a wasted effort. I'm not a failure. Or rather, not a failure, but I didn't fail in my mission. Yes, I couldn't save T12, but at least I could save my cubs, her cubs. I think that was a moment when the entire story for me, all that she went through just made sense.
आपके एक फैन ने एक पूछा है, was there ever a moment in life like Vidya Vincent you wanted to like write a resignation letter and say I quit?
Except that I've never held a job in that sense. We are freelance actors, so no, I've never felt like. Actually, yes, I have on. I won't take names, but I have on a couple of films where I've not enjoyed working with the director. I have felt like, yaar, I wish I could just say मैं shoot पे नहीं आ रही, मैं film छोड़ रही हूँ, but I could never do that.
वो आप हो ना, you'll see it through the end. ये नहीं है कि resignation पे पिछा रही हूँ.
नहीं, also, it's so many people's work ना. अगर shoot के बीच में ऐसा लगता है तो जो shoot हो चुका है, that's not fair to the producer. I'm married to one, so I know what that could mean to a producer.
चलो ये एक अच्छी बात है. Also another thing is like here, I mean, I as a single person have been single shamed by women. Here Vidya has that बच्चे कब करोगे. So somebody has written this is one movie of Vidya Balan where she is not embroiled by motherhood. Shakuntala Devi में भी माँ, कहानी में भी बच्चा, but this is something that I'm sure you personally also face. Like no one will celebrate your milestone. You can be complete only when you marry. After you get married, you have a bacha. After that, the end.
Thankfully, Pooja, in the first few years of my marriage, the media was busy getting me pregnant. Every month there would be stories about how I'm pregnant. And if I was wearing a slightly tight kurta where, my bulges were showing, then they would be like, oh, she's pregnant. And I'd be wanting to scream saying, this is my body, pregnant or no. you know, pregnancy or no pregnancy, this is how I am. But I think they gave up. And like they gave up, now people in my extended families have also given up. But there are times, you know, someone, I also think it's such a personal decision, no, that
Totally.
yeah, like people tell me, oh, you play the mother so beautifully on screen, you must have a child. And I don't think the two are related. I'm an actor. I can play an assassin on screen does not mean I can kill someone in real life. You know?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so I think this is like women, we get marked for our appearance, for you know, our behavior, for what milestones we're able to achieve, and not really for who we are. But that is changing, Pooja. It would be unfair of me to say that. That is changing. I'm sure you'll also, of course, there will be those people who are much older, for whom life, they saw life a certain way, especially a woman's life a certain way. So, you know, those people will still ask you. There will be the elderly people in the family who will say, "Par kab shaadi kar rahi ho?" You know, अब enough ये news views का चक्कर बहुत कर लिया तुमने.
But let me tell you, the young women who do that, young women in their like 40s, you're not even gotten married, कर लो अभी भैया. तुमने लड्डू खाया, मैं भी खाऊं. मेरे को लड्डू नहीं खाना, मुझे पिज्जा खाना है.
Exactly. I think in a lot of those cases, it's also because, अरे हमने तो कर ली, you know, तुम कैसे बच जाओगी?
You also suffer along with that. Totally. No, but another thing, I have followed your career since Parinita. There have been highs, there have been some lows, and there have been highs, and now the graph is higher and higher and higher because you become the space of women empowerment. But ये killer instinct कैसे आपने develop किया? Now talking in shady, you know, ways that you managed to maneuver your way so smoothly.
You know, because I love life. I feel it's a blessing. I was just telling someone that I feel it's a blessing to grow old, right? We must appreciate when you get the opportunity to grow old. Every day is an opportunity to learn and grow and to live your dream and everything. And this is my one dream, you know, I want to be playing different characters. So I love it. So I go in with this. I like to give it my all. It gives me a great sense of fulfillment. Yeah.
And you know, that's what they say, you've kind of manifested it ever since, you know, I would say the Dirty Picture in Parinita, she was extremely strong. She was an extremely strong character. Then I know the Hey Babies and all came along, and that also you were like there. But your characters, whether it's Tumhari Sullu, whether it's Mission Mangal, so someone told me pick up your 3 favorite Vidya Balan films. So I was like, it would be unfair. Like, I will not leave out a Pa. I won't leave out a Tumhari Sullu. I won't leave out a Ishqiya. So, you know, that's what I mean.
Thank you.
And your fans also have said that you cannot ask us to pick up our one favorite Vidya Balan film. But how has Vidya Balan created this brand, Vidya Balan, who's actually carries the film solely on her shoulders? हमको हीरो वीरो कोई नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं, but you know, I honestly don't see myself as a brand. I don't think I'm trapped in an image, thankfully. And I would hate that. Because as an actor, I want to have the liberty to do any kind of role, any kind of film. Because I also get bored very easily, Pooja. So I need to keep myself motivated. I need to do different things as in different characters, tell different kinds of stories, work with different directors. You know, I love that constant challenge and change and all of that. So I think that's how, but I've not really, it's not a strategic, there was no strategy here, or it wasn't planned or anything. It's just happened. I'm very grateful for it, but it's not something I planned at all.
It's as they say, the universe conspired. But जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ा शेरनी moment कौन सा था? Really like a शेरनी moment when I'm doing it.
I think one of my first Sherni moments was when I was being tested and retested for Parinita. And, you know, in one of the tests, I was so angry because I was frustrated. मुझे लग रहा था होने वाला नहीं है. बोल दो ना नहीं हो रहा है, क्यों बार बार टेस्ट कर रहे हो, क्या टेस्ट कर रहे हो, बता दो भाई. I remember Binod Pradhan, who was supposed to have shot the film, who didn't end up shooting the film, but Binod was shooting my test, and it was a shot when I had to turn into camera, and which is the first shot in the film. I had to turn into camera and just give a very, it's an inexplicable look, lots of mixed emotions there, and I kept doing it, and there was anger. No, I kept doing it, and I was like, confused, and I was like unsure. And Binod Pradhan came to me and said, I've done so many ad films with you, and what I've always felt is that you enjoy being in front of the camera. That joy is gone. So forget whether you get this film or don't. Just do what you do best. Enjoy yourself. So the next time I turned into camera, there was that killer instinct. That killer instinct which said, this is, yes, a do or die, but ab mujhe farak nahi padta because I think I've done my best. That for me is one of my, that look, actually, Binod Chopra called me and said that was a look that earned me Parinita.
Wow. Wow.
When you don't care about the result, that is very liberating.
But honestly, Vidya, I can't stop praising you because I enjoy talking to you because you're real. You're really real, off and on camera. And also, the thing is that I think it's your natural vibe that comes across. Like there is not, it's not put on. I am the way it is, And I think your fans also say that because no, but it's the truth, Vidya. And I'm not gushing because I'm your fan. Because whether it's my mom and all, everybody just like it's a Vidya Balan film to baith ke dekhni hai, and it's also family fair. Which families can sit together and enjoy the moment. So one of your fans is written,
frozen.
Do you get anxious? And what is your mantra when people feel you can do no wrong?
How lovely. I just firstly please say a big thank you to your mom for me. I missed some part of what you said, but
she said she's very real and natural, just looks like apni ladki hai, right?
I love that apni ladki. I don't know. I think, I find it very tedious to be anyone but me. And I've reached that stage in my life, I think, and it's been work in progress, obviously, but slowly but surely, I think I don't feel the need to pretend to be anything that I'm not anymore. It's a take it or leave it. If you like me the way I am, great. If you don't, great.
In this industry, with that, it's very hard to survive like that. How do you do it?
But thankfully I have, but because I don't know another way. I don't want to know another way, because the more I'm just being true to myself, the happier I am, Pooja. When I do anything to earn brownie points or to be seen a certain way, then it's so tedious. I feel there's too much stress involved in that, It affects you physically, mentally, emotionally. It drains you. It's pointless. और किस किस को खुश करोगे आप? हर कोई कुछ और चाहता है आपसे.
What's the change you've observed in your journey from when you started and now? What is that one change that you have actually consciously worked to implement?
To be less stressed, less affected, to let go. I now do my best, and then I just leave the rest to God, to the universe, to not to say that I don't get stressed anymore. I do get stressed, but I'm saying I'm much better than I was. That's something I've genuinely worked on.
Awesome. What would you want to tell your hum punch version now if you were to meet her today? If you were to come face to face with her?
गिरते पड़ते ही आगे बढ़ोगी. Because she used to bump into everyone all the time,
With your last question that comes is, I know you've done fabulous films. So one fan asked, which has been the most challenging that you as an actor also thought, this is going to take a lot of effort?
I think it was probably Kahani 2, because it was about child sexual abuse, and that wasn't easy.
Yeah.
When it's a fictional story, you're acting, and this is a pretend reality, and you're trying to find truth in it. But when I remember Kahani 2 affecting me immensely, because we were only telling a story, which was a fictional story. But for that, I did a lot of research, and realized how brutal child sexual abuse is, how it affects you for the rest of your life, what survivors actually go through. And especially the first half of the film was very tough on me.
Thank you so much. The Sherni continues to roar, and we love our Sherni. So what next for the Sherni?
Suresh Triveni's film. The director of Tumhari Sulu, we team up again on a film that's untitled so far, but let's hope we're able to start it soon once things open up fully.
Yes, thank you so much, Vidya. No words to applaud, to praise you. I can only applaud you for what you do, and continue doing that.
Thank
because
you so much.
You empower us all.
How sweet. So we all empower each other, Pooja, but thank you so much.
Thank you, Pooja.
We need women like you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.